And again, I would say no. In most cases, there is a compositional interpretation available, especially when, so most cases where the root has the meaning of an event, there is a compositional mechanism available. You start with, there was an event of this sort, this event happened, John caused this event to happen, so it's very productive. But in some cases, this does not happen. So N plus V complex predicates, the interesting cases of non-compositionality emerges when you have N's which do not denote events, right? So take something like hathiyar uthana, right? To lift weapons. So to lift weapons means something like to go to war, right? But it does not follow immediately from lifting weapons, right? Lifting weapons is a very specific action, that it should have that meaning. And there is nothing immediately in hathiyar or uthana that gives you that meaning. You have to somehow take that together with cultural knowledge to give you that meaning. So when the noun does not denote an event, the meaning is going to be non-compositional. Okay, so that's one thing. So we do expect non-compositional semantics, but then there are cases where we also find non-compositional syntax, and this is something which I find very strange. So let me show you. So what I've written, object denoting nominals, meaning is special. This is unsurprising. But with object denoting nominals, syntax is also sometimes unexpected. So look at the paradigm in 33. All of these sentences, as far as I can tell, mean the same. 33A is मेरा उलन बटोर जाने का मन है. Okay. 33B is मेरा उलन बटोर जाने का मन हुआ. And 33C मेरा उलन बटोर जाने का मन किया. Now the really shocking thing is in 33C we have kiya, man kiya, but there is no agent, where there should be an agent here. Okay, this is a mystery. I have not been able to solve it. Since I like to end things with Kashmiri, I will tell you that in 33C, in Kashmiri, you get completely unexpectedly some kind of an expletive ergative clitic, which comes and sits on the verb, suggesting that the grammar recognizes the meaning is still like this, but the grammar in Kashmiri recognizes that there is a kiya here, there should be an agent, so there is an expletive there, it is sitting up there, but it doesn't do anything. So yeah, think about this. The moral, so what I like to say is that you should not feel happy just to call something a complex predicate. One should never be satisfied or delighted by complexity. Our goal is to chip away at complexity. In the end, ideally everything should be simple. It will probably not be completely simple, but if we can make things simpler, it is better. So it's an explanation which looks at this and says, oh, this is a complex predicate. Is by itself, I think, that's a beginning. Sometimes you recognize this is a complex predicate, so then you know what papers to go and read. But at the end, if the explanation stops with this is a complex predicate, it's not good. So note that the explanations that we gave here were not complex. That was, at the end we said, there are some things we don't understand. I don't understand why man kiya, man hua, man hai, why all these mean the same. And in some cases we don't understand the non-compositional meaning. But the rest of the stuff, right, we were able to basically decompose. And so what I think is a very large number of complex predicates, many aspects of complex predicates we will be able to decompose to normal complementation, and then we will be left with the difficult cases. Yes.
So what I was thinking was, like, if we try to structure this, and it would turn out to be like a mera ulan bator jane ka man, being a phrase, and then it's it's a stative.
Yes, that seems very reasonable for 33A and 33B.